thing is the moderate temperature, or we can say land. Second thing is the water, and third one is the atmosphere. Atmosphere there contains oxygen that we breathe in to survive. And this important thing is water. There are many, 97% of water is in seas and oceans. And we can say that only 1% is for us drinkable, or we can say fresh water. So oceans and seas. Oceans. The Pacific Ocean is the largest as well as the deepest ocean of the earth. And ring of fire. This is an edge of the boundary. This is Pacific Ring of Fire. This is horseshoe shaped. 40,000 kilometers its boundary is, and Ring of Fire, because there exists more than 452 volcanoes. That means 75% of all the volcanoes of the earth. So now I will tell you about this, that what if all the volcanoes of the Pacific Ring of Fire gets exploded or gets erupted? What will happen if all the volcanoes will get erupted? First thing, in Philippines, it is in 15 countries. When two volcanoes erupted in Philippines, they caused a huge damage by magma, ash and the smoke. More than 1,200 people were killed in this destruction by lava and by ash. There was harmful ash and gas that did not allow the light from the sun to pass in the Philippines. Only by the two volcanoes. And now I will tell you how these volcanoes get erupted there. There are more than 452 active volcanoes. Active volcanoes can anytime be erupted. So just like it will get erupted, so when it will erupt, I will show you that magma get under the surface of the earth. As we know that when the earthquake tectonic plates move apart, they release a space so that is magma comes out, that hot liquid in mantle and in outer core there is present magma, hot liquid magma. So when it reaches, it makes a big hole, that is magma chamber. And in magma chamber, it gets air bubbles, pressure gets exerted in the surface of the crust. When it will get blasted, it will get bursted at this very thin area or weak area, that is known as the volcanic eruption. So what will happen? That 452 volcanoes will get erupted. Let me tell you another thing, that the 90% of the earthquake originates near the Pacific Ring of Fire, because of they are made 4 tectonic plates. So what will happen? It can cause very huge destruction if the 452 volcanoes, or you can say 75% of all the volcanoes in the Pacific Ring of Fire will get bursted. So if the volcanoes will get bursted, enormous amount of lava, ash and harmful gases, it will cover whole world. It will create a layer of ash and smoke that will not allow the heat of the heat radiations of the sun to pass into the earth, and there will be no light. Just like in Philippines, I have told you, only the 2 volcanoes got bursted and 1,200 got killed. But if 452 will get bursted, you can imagine that how much destruction. So this, I have told you that 2 volcanoes got erupted in Philippines and got a lot of destruction. If 452 volcanoes will get exploded, the ash will cover whole world, and it will cause a very harmful destruction. It will release ash plus harmful gases, which do not allow that we can breathe in and will cause respiratory problems. And the more and more the people will die and will get destruction. This was all about my today's presentation. Thank you.